This is not an ordinary Toyota. This is the Toyota GR-GT, a true Grand Tourer built with racing DNA. From the outside, the GR-GT looks aggressive and purposeful. The wide-body design gives it a planted stance, while the low ride height improves aerodynamics and stability. Sharp LED headlights, large front air intakes, and a sculpted hood help cool the engine and reduce drag. At the rear, the sleek taillights, aerodynamic diffuser, and dual exhaust outlets complete the performance-focused look. Every line on the exterior is designed for speed, control, and road presence. Under the hood, the Toyota GR-GT delivers serious performance. It is powered by a high-output turbocharged engine developed by Toyota Gazoo Racing. Power is sent through a performance-tuned transmission that delivers fast, precise gear changes. The suspension is track-inspired, providing excellent grip while still maintaining comfort for long drives. The GR-GT accelerates quickly and remains stable at high speeds. Its estimated top speed is over 250 km per hour, making it a true high-performance Grand Tourer. Inside the cabin, everything is built around the driver. Sport bucket seats provide strong support during aggressive driving. A fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data. The GR-branded steering wheel, premium materials, and advanced drive modes create a focused and immersive driving experience. GR stands for Gazoo Racing, Toyota's motorsports division. This means the GR-GT is developed using technology proven on the track and refined for the road. The Toyota GR-GT is not just about power. It is about balance, precision, and the thrill of driving. This is Toyota's vision of a modern performance Grand Tourer. Would you drive it?